हेलो फ्रेंड्स मो मो यूट्यूब चैनल ओडिया जनरल स्टडीज को आपन स्वागत करछि। तो आज आम देखा करंट अफेयर्स 26 जुलाई। ओके, सो फास्ट होची इंडिया प्रिया मलिक क्लिंचेस गोल्ड एट वर्ल्ड कैडेट रेसलिंग चैंपियनशिप। So India's wrestler Priya Malik won a gold medal at the ongoing World Cadet Wrestling Championship in Budapest। ओके, जोटा होची माने हंगेरी कैपिटल। ठीक अछि। तो से माने मलिक beat her Belarus opponent in the 63 kg category। Okay, so Priya Malik became the first Indian to win gold at World Wrestling Championship। Okay, so next was Tokyo Olympics 2020। Mirabai Chanu wins historic silver, opens India's medal tally। Okay, so weightlifter Mirabai Chanu bagged silver medal in the women's 49 kg category। Okay, so it important at the Tokyo Olympics 2020, right? So Chanu has now become the second Indian, okay, not the first Indian। या पूर्व जने पाइछंती। Okay, so an Indian weightlifter to win an Olympic medal। तो या पूर्व जे पाइछन से कर्णम मालेश्वरी। Okay, so she had won the bronze medal in 69 kg category at the 2000 Sydney Games। Okay, तो next होची norovirus outbreak in UK। तो UK माने इंग्लैंड is witnessing an increase in the number of cases of the vomiting bug। Okay, तो से vomit कला हला माने गोटे bug होची। तो it was revealed that the outbreak of the virus has mostly been in nursery and child care facilities। तो छोट पिला मानक बेसी होची। Okay, so it is known as the winter vomiting bug। Okay, so it is described as a very contagious virus that causes sudden onset of vomiting and diarrhea। Okay, so it is highly contagious। Okay, direct contact with someone can be infected। Okay, so touching surfaces or object contaminated with the virus, then touching your mouth। Okay, तो consuming contaminated water or food कला माने यही जिनस है पारे। So another is what is Essential Defence Services Bill। The Essential Defence Services Bill aims at preventing the staff of the government-owned ordnance factories from going on strike or any form of agitation। The factories form an integrated base for the indigenous production of defence hardware equipment। तो से जो डिफेंस ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री रो कर्मचारी माने जो स्ट्राइक रे जसन ताको बंद करे पे द एसेंशियल डिफेंस सर्विस बिल ताको माने इंट्रोड्यूस कराई छी। द एसेंशियल डिफेंस सर्विसेज बिल 21 which seeks to prohibit any form of agitation or strike। Okay, so as per the government it is essential that the uninterrupted supply of the ordnance items to the armed forces is very essential। Okay, so that is to be maintained for defense preparedness and the factories must continue to function without any form of disruptions। तो मैंने जेकोसी जहाँ भी हो जाओ सेटा सेमती चलुता दरकार स्ट्राइक कर बंद ना दरकार। ओके, तो अनदर नेक्स्ट वन इज अडानी ग्रुप जॉइन्स एज वन ऑफ द IOS स्पॉन्सर्स फॉर द टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स 2020। तो इंडियन ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन अनाउंस करछि जे दैट इट हैज रोप्ड इन अडानी ग्रुप, ओके, एज एन स्पॉन्सर फॉर द टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स। ओके, तो IOS सेक्रेटरी जनरल के हमर रहले राजीव मेहता। ओके, तो से जिनस कहसन ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट। Okay, तो MPL Sports Foundation अच्छा या पूर्व has entered into the sponsorship agreement with IOA to be the principal sponsor। Okay, तो आर principal sponsor होसंदी ओलंपिक रो के ओलंपिक रो principal sponsor होची MPL Sports Foundation। Okay, तो टोक्यो ओलंपिक गेम्स 2020 एशियन गेम्स एंड नेक्स्ट कॉमनवेल्थ गेम पे मध्य MPL Sports Foundation तार ऑफिशियल माने प्रिंसिपल स्पॉन्सर। ओके, so next is what is CBDC। Central Bank Digital Currency is a legal tender and a central bank liability in digital form। Okay, it is denominated in a sovereign currency and appears on the central bank's balance sheet। Okay, the currency is in the form of electronic currency and can be converted or exchanged at par with the similarly denominated cash and traditional central bank deposits। तो ये एक्चुअली इंडिया इंट्रोड्यूस ହେଇନି, तो इंट्रोड्यूस हो पारे बोली माने डेप्यूटी गवर्नर RBI से कहते। ओके, तो नेक्स्ट होची सेंटर अनाउंसेस पोर्टल टू रजिस्टर चिल्ड्रेन ऑर्फन्ड बाय कोविड-19। ओके, तो जो माने अच्छा द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हैज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ए पोर्टल फॉर द चिल्ड्रेन हु लॉस्ट देयर पेरेंट्स ड्यू टू द कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक। ओके, द PM had approved a scheme under PM Cares PM Cares Fund for the children who have lost both parents or one of the surviving parents or one adoptive parent or a legal guardian because of COVID-19. Okay, the scheme by the government will provide a corpus of 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh to each child when he or she turns to be 18 years old. Okay, so the amount will be used to give monthly stipend from the age of 18 years for the next 5 years. Okay, 18 ରୁ 23 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେ stipend ମିଳିବ. The beneficiary at the age of 23 will get entire corpus amount as one lump sum. ତ last କୁ ଯାହା 23 ରେ ଯାହା ମିଳିବ ସେ lump sum ରେ ମିଳିଯିବ. The central government will also help with the school education and will extend a health insurance cover of 5 lakh under the Ayushman Bharat scheme. Okay, so another. Kerala and RDIF to sign agreement for filling Sputnik V vaccine vials. Okay, so in a bid to setting up a unit for COVID-19 vaccine vials, the Kerala government will be signing an agreement with the Russian Direct Investment Fund. Okay, the nodal agency for Russia's Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine. So Sputnik 9 was reputed vaccine, Russia vaccine. So as per the agreement, a manufacturing plant for Sputnik V will be set up in Kerala. Okay, so co state re hochi bole question asipare, that is Kerala. The RDIF has expressed interest in the proposal sent by Kerala government through Russian ambassador to India, Nikolai Kudasev. Okay, तो एटा माने इम्पोर्टेंट से कोट केरला रे हे पारे स्पुटनिक भी रो माने तारो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट, राइट. ओके, ग्वालियर अर्चा इन यूनेस्कोस हिस्टोरिक अर्बन लैंडस्केप प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, Gwalior and Archa cities in Madhya Pradesh were selected by UNESCO, okay, under the historic urban landscape project. Okay, so in Nagada मन रखे रची. Okay, that began in 2011. तो 2011 से दिन से है. Okay, the project aims at the inclusive and well-planned development of fast-growing historical cities while preserving their cultural and heritage values. Okay, तो से मैंने से तरफ historical value preserving और cultural heritage value preserve करे पे तो ये प्रोजेक्ट अनुसार से सिलेक्ट करे दीटा सिटी जोड़ा होचे ग्वालियर एंड अर्चा, राइट. तो 6 cities from South Asia including Banaras, Varanasi and Ajmer, okay, are already included in the project. Okay, so Gwalior and Archa cities from the Madhya Pradesh have been included as 7th and 8th city of the South Asia under UNESCO's historical urban landscape project. Okay, UNESCO will devise the development and management plan for Gwalior and Archa under the project and will lead boosting tourism, which will lead to boosting in tourism in Madhya Pradesh and creating employment opportunity. Okay, तो सब जिन सब माने सिटी रो जदी कल्चरल वैल्यू सब ठीक रहबो ताले निश्चित भाव रे टूरिज्म बढ़िबो जोटा कि माने एम्प्लॉयमेंट मधो boost karibo. Okay, UNESCO along with the government of India and Madhya Pradesh will focus on improving cultural and historical aspects of both sides. तो UNESCO ये सब जिन जोड़ा को government of India और मध्य प्रदेश government रो तार सब माने तासवायत रे सब जिन सब करियो. Okay. Okay, this is today's current affairs. So please subscribe to my channel for daily current affairs. Like, subscribe and share. So thank you.